The current atomic model is total nonsense, and at the same time, all orgasms are reality. Yeehaw! Joensuu, Kuopio, and all of Finland, hands in the air. Savorinen's expanding dynamics theory rules. Now we wipe the scientist table clean. Your incredible heavenly orgasm is guaranteed when you listen to this. Nipples are hardening and clitorises are throbbing. Nipples are hardening and pussies are juicing. The Savorinen expanding dynamics truth ignites all masses. Nipples are hardening and pants are getting wet. Yeah! When expanding atomic nuclei expand outward into already existing space. Nipples are hardening and wet, pussies are juicing, and that's how the doctrine of Jupiter Savorinen pushes into the corners of your brains. There is no attraction, there is only joyful pushing. The whole universe is giving us its approval. Yo. The current atomic model is total nonsense. It has no logical foundation. When physicists draw electrons on their orbits without any sense or logic, they claim that particles somehow stay around the nucleus, just waiting there. And with mathematical wave functions, their mystery knowledge they are sharing. But that model is not logical, it is pure illusion and a mirage. They believe in mystical attractive forces as binding forces, and in a space that performs tricks, even though the truth is much simpler and on a completely different path. Let's focus on the phenomenon around the nuclei of expanding atoms. There are no electrons ready at all. In the nuclei of atoms there are traffic jam zones of expanding energy dispersing into space, which circulate expanding dark energy that disperses into space, providing real mechanical phases for physicists. Expanding atomic nuclei consist of separate traffic jam zones of expanding energy dispersing into space, which automatically push each other away from one another, far from the illusion zones of physicists. They push apart in the same proportion as they expand, while circulating this expanding, pushing force dispersing into space. And from this expanding dark energy dispersing into space, registerable particles are born, like electrons and photons. They too consist of this very same expanding energy dispersing into space, meaning they too expand all the time in the same proportion. Everything consists fundamentally of one and the same physically concretely existing thing, which in itself is pushing force. The density of this thing varies in infinite space according to how it circulates itself in many different size scales. And space does not affect events in any way, because space is an infinite three-dimensional stage that just eyes and is absolutely nothing. Nipples are hardening and clitorises are throbbing. Nipples are hardening and pussies are juicing. The Savorinen expanding dynamics truth ignites all masses. Nipples are hardening and pants are getting wet. Yeah, when expanding atomic nuclei expand outward into already existing space. Nipples are hardening and wet, pussies are juicing. And that's how the doctrine of Jupiter Savorinen pushes into the corners of your brains. There is no attraction, there is only joyful pushing. The whole universe is giving us its approval. From Finland to the world, in Kuopio, everything became clear to Savorinen a long time ago. And now this truth is sung out loud, often right here in Joensuu. Kuopio, then Joensuu, and finally the whole world wakes up. Yeehaw! Joensuu, Kuopio, and all of Finland, hands in the air. Jupiter Savorinen, the dude, the one, the man who really understands what we are singing about here. Nipples are hardening and pussies are juicing, when the logical atomic model and the mechanical circulation of dark energy reveal the truth.
And so another scientific illusion is exposed. Everything consists fundamentally of one and the same physically concretely existing thing, which in itself is pushing force. Its density varies in infinite space as it circulates itself in many different size scales. Space is just a three-dimensional stage that is absolutely nothing, and thus it cannot perform any tricks. Logically, beautifully simple. Did you get your orgasm yet? So, did you get your orgasm yet? So, did you conceptualize and understand this extremely simple truth about matter? If you still didn't, put your expanding hand on your expanding chest and feel how your heart expands beat by beat. Then try to feel the expansion of an expanding space. You can't, because space doesn't perform any tricks. It is just an empty stage. Now ask yourself, why does anyone believe in the existence of a space that performs tricks? It doesn't make any sense at all. Nipples are hardening and clitorises are throbbing. Nipples are hardening, nipples are hardening, and pussies are juicing. The Savorinen expanding dynamics truth ignites all masses. Current atomic model wrong. Savorinen's logical atomic model right. Jacobetary Savorinen, the dude, the one, the man who figured out how universe really works.